Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shalise and today I'll be showing you how I do my avocado hair mask with these simple ingredients. I have my mayo with avocado oil, I have my grapeseed oil, my container to put everything in, I have olive oil, argan oil, castor oil, the avocados, of course, nice and soft, honey, a banana, my blender, and of course little tools that I need to do everything with. So stick around and join me and you can make this with me. First things first, I'm going to cut my avocado. It's nice and soft. It took days because when I got it, it was hard as a rock. Take out the little, well, huge seed. We're gonna scoop out the avocado, put it in a blender. Scooping it out is the easiest way, y'all. And I'm gonna use two because I like to do this twice a week. I've committed to doing this twice a week for 6 months because I want to see how this does my hair. Because the problem I was having with my hair was my hair grows. Never had a problem with it growing, but it's thin. So I want to see if this will thicken my hair. So I promise to give it 6 months, doing it twice a week. And then I keep it in a protective hairstyle. As you can see, like right now, it's under these little wigs everyone's talking about, the headband wig. And honey, let me tell you, it is very convenient. So, I mean, very convenient. Get my spoon. I use about 2 tablespoons of the mayo with the avocado oil. You know, it depends on the kind of hair, how much hair you have. You need more, but I only use 2. I use honey. Oh, I forgot to add. How many of y'all would say that was? 2, 3 tablespoons? Two eggs, y'all. I forgot to say that earlier. Have y'all noticed bananas don't peel the way they used to? I be fighting the banana. I like eating a banana at night. I have to fight with the banana to get the top off so I can peel it back. Then I get mad and just break it off at the top. Yeah, I don't have patience, y'all. We have our organic extra virgin olive oil, and I just pour, okay, that's enough. You know, real cooks, we don't measure, we just pour. And this is my grapeseed oil that works wonders for my hair wet, not dry, wet. My hair will soak it up. Castor oil, this is for hair growth. And this is the Jamaican, which one? Jamaican mango lime black castor oil. And the argan oil. Argan oil works very good on my hair too. It makes it so soft and slick. Easy to comb. Probably like half a bottle I just used of this. Okay, you guys. Okay, now we're gonna mix. Okay, let's test it. See the consistency. You want it to be smooth and not crunchy with the avocado. That's why you want the avocados really soft, because trust me, I've done it, and the avocado was not completely smooth, and getting those chunks out your hair, it's not fun. Not at all. Okay, push it. I see just a little chunkiness, so let me do it a little bit more, just a little. It should be great. Perfect. Yeah. Let's see. It's all right. But everything here is stuff you can consume, so it's not gonna kill you, but I was just curious. Take this out. And let's hope we don't make a mess. Well, not me, I should have kept the top on. Ooh. So far, so good. And I like using this because when I first started, I would put it in like one of these glass jars with the lid, and then I would have to stick my finger in it, and it was just messy and drop all over my towel and everything. And so I said, you know what, I want something with a dispenser. So I looked up the ketchup and mustard dispensers at Walmart, and I got this. So after I wash my hair, I put it in sections, 4 little sections, and I squeeze it into my hair and massage it in. Then I twist each section up, put shower cap bags, and the minimum you leave it on is 2 hours. I can leave it on all day, depends on what I'm doing, which day it is, or overnight. And the next morning, wash it out really good. And then I have a mixture of all the oils together in here, and I just saturate my hair with this oil, put it in a protective style, some braids, and voila, I am done. And like I said, I do this twice a week, and I'm gonna do this for 6 months just to see how well it does. I can tell you from the very first time that I used this mask, my hair, the shedding reduced drastically. I'm telling you, if it didn't work, I wouldn't continue to do it. I wouldn't be buying this stuff if it didn't work. So trust me, it works. If you have an issue with shedding, which my hair did, it reduces it. I'm telling you, a lot. So I was very impressed, and that's why I'm continuing to use it, and I'm giving it 6 months. So let me know how it works for you. Leave a comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and please share. Thank you.